Here I have Samsung Galaxy F04, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button power saving. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can switch it here, and you can also set some of its additional optimizations, like you can limit CPU speed to 70%, and you can decrease brightness by 10%. You can also limit apps and home screen for maximum power saving. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.